Well. All right, I'm back. Okay. So I said I was gonna be vlogging at the airport. Okay, behind me. All right, y'all gonna stare at the sun again, psych. This the airport, ladies and gentlemen. Right here in Kenner. Okay. Just the new airport, y'all. Okay. The 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 Kenner Loop comes up here. Veterans Airport and an Express Airport 202. Okay. All right. So just how everything look out here now, you know. Yes, indeed. I mean, Kenner at the airport, you know, international airport. Okay. So I told y'all I was gonna vlog over here, you know. So here I am. All right. And a lot of people getting these bags ready, you know. A lot of people in and out, you know. All right. All right. So as I was saying, y'all, I'm just here, hanging around and stuff. Okay. I told y'all I was gonna vlog at the airport if the bus wasn't here. Okay. I just got out that bus right there. That's the Kenner Loop. Okay. So the Kenner Loop comes here now. You know, it used to make a left turn on Veterans, but now that they built this airport, it comes in now. You know, it comes right here. Okay. Look around, ladies and gentlemen. What's way out there? Alright. Y'all don't want to stare at the sun, now, y'all? Alright, so that's it for right now, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So I don't know what I'm gonna do next. Will I vlog when I get home or not? I don't know. Okay. Alright, bye.